Hi everyone, it's Teacher Paul with Prezi, and today we're going to talk about tip number 3 in our instructional video series. In this video, I'm focusing on turning up you. In my webinars, I often talk about teacher presence, which is all about you as an instructional leader. Even when we are outside of our class and in a video, however, we still have to pay attention to how we lead and how we engage our students. And the medium of video shifts the playing field of instruction a little bit. With video, it isn't so much about instruction, although that's really important and you're masters at it, but it's about how you carry and present yourself to your students and your audience. And believe it or not, this will impact your overall delivery and how you are perceived. So let's do a few simple things that can help. Have fun and wear something that reflects your personality. Solid colors are best. It's up to you, however, if you want to present yourself as more formal or more casual. Keep your jewelry to a minimum because it can be distracting to you because it might snag on something or jiggle and you lose your concentration, but it can also be distracting to the audience. Mind your posture, so you want to sit up straight. First, posture provides you with some confidence. It also conveys energy and intelligence, so sit up. Use body language. Using your hands is okay. Maybe not the evening news guy. He's probably not going to be using his hands a lot. But for these types of videos that you're making for your students, absolutely. I love facial expressions and gestural expressions, but you don't want to do it too much, especially if you're one of those that gets nervous. I know some people start bouncing their leg and that'll show up in their shoulders or their eyes when they're thinking. That happens to me all the time. Or you start blinking or you're fidgeting. If you're aware of it, you can do something about it because you start thinking about it. Okay, I need to place my hands on the table if I gesture too much. But I like to gesture, as you can see. Smile with your eyes. Smiles are great, but they can be overdone. So instead, smile with your eyes. And what that means is to squint your eyes a little bit. And I've heard from headshot experts, those that are taking pictures of your face for photos, that if you slightly squint, it exudes to the audience some confidence, actually, in that you are perceived as a bit smarter. Speak naturally. You want to be yourself. You don't want to put on an act. So speak to the camera like you're talking with a friend. It's a conversation. Before you start, you'll want to breathe, and you also want to remember to breathe during it. I know if you're getting nervous, sometimes you forget to do that. So to get over your nerves, take a few deep breaths to begin with, stretch, do an exercise, hum for that vagal nerve massage, and watch something that maybe will make you laugh, and that'll get you ready. Okay, you'll also want to bring up your personality just a titch. As an introvert, I noticed when I started doing videos, I started getting really small. Video will do that to you if you're sort of a quiet type of person. So you have to make yourself just a tad bigger. If you already have a big personality, you don't have to worry about it. But if you're sort of an introvert, you want to bring yourself up to about 120% in your videos and make yourself seem a little bit bigger than you are face to face. Just don't start acting. You want to be authentic to who you are, right? Okay, that does it. Remember, 120%, look at the camera, use your gestures, smile with your face and your eyes and all of it, and you'll be great. I'm looking forward to seeing what you do, and I hope that this was super helpful for you.